leg of the 24SG Philippine Tour, we want to make sure that everything will go smoothly and that the audience will have a really great time. That's why we need to rehearse again. There's a different feeling kapag nasa stage ka na. The vibe is so electrifying. I really hope that the show will be successful.
It's time to change. It's time for change. And I don't wanna be so damn addicted.
Luckily naman yung mga songs na ginawa ko sa 24SG concert last year, nagagawa ko naman siya sa kung saan-saan. Where have you been? Yung Adele medley. Bago magpasko, naging part siya ng repertoire ko. So, parang naging preparation na rin siya. Parang practice ko na rin siya for my Philippine concert tour. May mga konting adjustments din kasi syempre may limitations din kami dahil hindi naman namin madadala lahat yung buong stage na ginawa na ginamit namin sa Araneta. May konting changes lang. Thankful kami kay Christian kasi the time na invite namin siya na mag-guest sa show, ayun, lagi siyang nag-yes.
Rehearsals were fine. It was like rehearsing back in the day with the champions. Parang ganun.
Rehearsals were good. It was, ako kasi yung feeling ko dun is I don't want it to be over-rehearsed, you know what I mean? Kasi we've done it already and ginawa namin sa Araneta and the energy was fantastic there twice. So, okay lang, 100 lang. Tapos, let's save the energy for here, sort of the power here. So, that's the thing.
Chicago to Manila, pumunta ng Cebu to follow Sarah's concert. Very talented, young, sweet lady. Example siya ng mga youth. Ang galing-galing mo talaga, Sarah. Bilib ako sa'yo. Siguro lahat ng mga klaseng sama-sama ng mga moves niya at saka yung mga birit niya talaga. Very talented talaga ang bata.
Nagpapasalamat nga ako't nakamit na kami ni Sarah at last.
Masaya ako. Very happy. Very pleased na nakita ko si Sarah in person.
Very proud. Yes. We have lots of great concerts and this is going to be a great concert tonight as well, I'm sure. I'm sure everyone will love the show. She's got great followers here. You can see from the crowd outside.
There's a lot of people I have to check, so I'm very tired. I wish I could sit down and watch. Yeah, it should be a good show. I heard her do her pre-singing. It's very nice. Yes, a lot of people, but there's still actually more people coming.
Nag-travel ako from Dubai to Cebu para lang makasama ang pa-friends at makamanood ng concert ni Sarah. Eh, ganyan namin kumain si Sarah kasi. Nandito kami, full support talaga sa kanya.
Ay, nanonood kami ng concert ni Sarah. As usual, yearly po. Total performer talaga siya. The best talaga yun.
Tsaka yung outfit, yung mga glamour outfit niya. From production to the finale, of course.
Idol ko siya at napapanood siya dahil sikat siya. Yes, mag-enjoy talaga. Worth it yung, yung binabayad nila. Tapos hindi sila magsisisi.
December pa lang, bibili na kami ng ticket noon at nag-reserve talaga kami para makakita talaga kami dahil excited na excited kaming makapanood ng concert ni Sarah.
Yes, very much excited. Ang ganda pakinggan na dito siya una gumawa ng concert before other places.
Welcome to 24SG Provincial 2. First one. As rehearsed. Okay naman po tayo sa rehearsal natin kanina. And then we'd like to welcome Christian also. And John. We do have your in-ear. We brought, dumating din siya. Dumating na in-ear, no? So you can use it for the opening. Nilagay namin mix dito, just the band. Mas mataas ng konti yung backups, pero mas mataas ang focus. So you can use this. We're ready for it. Nasa sa iyo yun. The whole show. Reminder lang to the dancers and to Sarah's opening, please be careful dun sa screen natin sa likod. Don't go too much back because that's a screen that's not an LED wall. Okay, screen lang yun. Excited ang mga tao ngayon. So let's all have fun, money. Can you read the prayers?
Paulit-ulit na ako pumupunta doon. So, treat talaga na may mga pumupunta pa rin talaga para pakinggan ako at panoorin ako.